Right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, roof rails, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.